What do you want?
I don't know. What do you think?
This. I love the snow. This is my first time.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I am so excited.
Why are you excited?
Because I was waiting for the snow a lot of time, and this is my first time. And I don't know, Jeff. I'm happy.
We've been...
Here's the bluebird, here to stay. Here's a new bird, he sings a love song.
Hi, Shannon. This is Keila Contreras reporting the snow in the Bronx. And we got like 9 inches of snow. You can see over there. I don't know.
But you can do the job if you're down when it snows. Ain't it thrilling? Though your nose
Are those
get
boots?
a
Are your feet warm?
we'll frolic and play the Eskimo
I don't know. No sé cómo se llama esto.
This is sledding. Sledding. We had quite an adventure getting here.
Hold on to the thing. You ready?
Keila,
Hold on to the thing. You ready?
go for it. Just watch him. Put your butt on it and slide.
Ya, Chano.
Yeah.
Eso no puedo. Hágale usted primero.
No, I'll show you. I'm going to push you. Just sit on it. You're not going to fall. I can't even get you going.
Do not want to do
So we've had a lot of success with our first slide.
No, no podemos.
No, you have to get a running start.
Okay, running a star.
Look, he'll push you.
I can do it. I can't.
So, but now you're ready to try again? Let's see it. Okay, I can't really feel my fingers. How are you feeling cold-wise? You gonna do one more?
To face unafraid the plans that we made. Let's frolic and play the Eskimo way.
You have to steer it.
No, ya, vámonos.
Okay.
Let's go.